It's that time to cook the pumpkin. Is it real? Certainly is. See you in a minute. Yeah, somebody said, is it a prop, is it plastic? And I went, no, it's perfectly real. I grew this and then we harvested it at start of November. So we're into January now. It needs preserving and using. So let me just show you quickly the best way to do it and to prove that it is real. Watch this. Oh, come on. Oh, they're not easy to get into at this size, they really aren't. But if you think about doing a melon, it's probably on the same sort of way to do it. There we are. Right, let's have a look inside. Let's have a look. There we are. Wow, how amazing is that? So this is a pumpkin. Many uses. And I'll show you how to preserve it, and then later on in the next couple of weeks we'll do some recipes with it. But that's your pumpkin as it is. Save the seeds. Save these seeds because you can use that for regrowing your pumpkins at a later date. If you get them in the UK, we get them in about June, end of June, somewhere around there. Wow, that's amazing. Look at that. Absolutely fabulous. It's really heavy as well. And then yeah, so they're ready for harvesting end of November. Sorry, end of October, start of November, somewhere around there. So that was when this one was done. And then we're going to cook it now and I'll show you exactly what we do. The easiest way to get your pulp off, like I said to you, is like as if you're going to do a melon, really. So let's get a spoon with this. And we'll just take all the seeds off, keep all the seeds, and then we'll dry them out and they're ready for next year. And this is a great taste. If you've never had pumpkin before, it really is a great taste. It's sweet, consistency of carrot really. So you can imagine the sort of things you can do with it. You can make carrot cake. Except it's pumpkin cake. Lots of desserts with pumpkin. You can roast it as well. Roast it in the oven and have it with your Sunday lunch, which we're quite big on here at Taylor Cook's Kitchen. Right, so imagine, there we are. That's to one side. Let's get our dish back. And all we're going to do now is to cut it again. Get in. There we are. That's it again. This one actually is a bit dry now, but never mind. Just like you do with a melon. And we'll take the skin off. In we go. It's going to take a while because we have all of this and I've only used that. There's loads you're going to get from this sort of size. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this onto steam in a pressure cooker, and then we're going to come back and I'll show you how to finish it off. Alright, let's get some water in. Let's put this in. That's it for about 15 minutes. We'll come back in 15 minutes time and I'll show you how to strain it, mash it, and then we'll save it for later. Okay, so that's our next lot to go in. Let's take this out now. It's been 15 minutes. We've dropped the steam on it, and this is your pumpkin. It's very hot, I know that. Very, very hot. Stick the pumpkin into the cylinder. Colander, fool. Into the colander. Okay, we'll just get our next lot on. We'll save some of these for roasting. Let me save some for roasting. Where can I put them? Right, back on with the next lot. Okay. Drain most of the water off. Give it a mash. No salt, no pepper. Okay. Let's get a sieve. What we're going to do, we're going to take what we've just done into here. Like that. Just let the water come out, any more water that's in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's all the water, the juice that's coming out, which is what we don't want, because we want the pumpkin to be moist but not wet. Okay, so your consistency of this, you can see it now. You need to get that water out. That's probably about right now. It's probably about right consistency. I don't know if you can see that or not. Most of the water's gone, but it's still moist. There we have it. Let that go cold. Back in a minute. One of the things that you can do is actually keep that water. It's very sweet. It's full of vitamin C, and you can see it's enough. It actually tastes very nice. Very nice. All right, it's cooled enough to vat pack. And like I said, this is exactly what you get. If you buy a tin of this, this is exactly what you're going to get. All right. So what I'm going to try to do, attempt to do, to put this into the bag. There we are. Easy. As you see, there's not a lot of water coming out. There's our pumpkin, moist setting. That's now ready for the freezer whenever we want to use it.